ABVE. Nope, nothing going there. It's 8 o'clock stuff. $32 million MRIN. MRIN would be a fader as well, guys. $170 would be a great short, but it would be a fader as well. JFBR is not going to be any good till it gets to 240, 245. We just did make really good money off JFBR. Waiting for KTTA to come down. So it's a pretty good start this morning. Good morning, everybody on social media. KTTA does not have any news that is serious. 91% inhibition of PERC confirming substantial target engagement. What kind of news is that? JFBR does have a better news. Volume is picking it up. I have like 200 shares left, so I don't really care anymore. I wouldn't go long though. So JFBR has a very similar acquisition equity news, basically, but not that big though. So JFBR market cap is 3.72 million. Yep, another stupid one on the way, guys. So I'm going to cancel this. Yes, I was about to take some, but I'm not. But KTTA is nicely at 250, guys, 7.4%. Let's take that. 2.48 just happened. Knocked off 8,000 shares down to 1,500 shares. 245. I told you guys that's your target. That's your target, guys. Hopefully you guys listened on KTTA. I know you guys were stubborn with the JFBR. So I'll go ahead and close it all. 10% there, guys. Nice start to the morning. How much am I up? 2,800. Hey, it's a steady day, right? I have swing, which is like paying me almost 17,000 as well. I'm picking, obviously I'm gonna roll with the swing, okay? I have a swing account, swing positions. That is another one. So I've realized only 2,800, but the swing position, another swing position is having me at 17 right now. So I'm gonna start pretty good. But there's KTTA at 230. I told you guys that news is crappy. However, JFBR could be sadistic. How many people took KTTA and got their money from 90% to 70%? So pretty good way to start your morning. I'm going to check out my swing positions, which ones are doing really good. So GNPX is doing okay. GNPX is at 33. And that one is doing pretty good. GNPX. I've closed out on my JFBR if anybody's wondering. So GNPX is doing good. My PLTR shorts, if you guys saw my recap, PLTR is doing okay. But that's not profit for me yet. My Upwork is doing good too, guys. UPWK, that's doing good. HIMS is okay. HIMS I've already taken twice profit, so I'm okay. HIMS. HIMS, I'm okay. I'm waiting for this to get under 35. Should do 35 and below. So HIMS, there was two earnings played yesterday, right? The HIMS and PLTR. So HIMS is doing pretty good as of now. I shorted at 42, so it's at 38 right now, 6% in money. JFBR, I think another one that's just not popping. JFBR last two times has failed completely. So why am I thinking that it is not going to fail again? Last two times it failed completely. And I shorted just a little while ago, 210 to 178. Why did I not take it? I think has a similar equity news like kids and this other one that we did. I have another one that is doing good. OTT. Okay, Foxo. Foxo, guys, remember I told you guys Foxo? Foxo is a buy. Remember, Foxo, I told you guys, is a buy. It's going to run. Wow, I think I messed out on JFBR another 10%, guys. Did somebody catch it? Good morning, Diego. So I guess we messed up on JFBR. We could have had 3 wins. Remember Foxo, when this Foxo was at 50 cents, we said this is going to be long and short in 120 area. I'm going short on Foxo already. Come on. 82%. On no volume. It's moving on no volume, guys. So this is a good short. It's just 98%. Oh my God, this is now, I am in and it is troubling me here. That is crazy move of 1 million. I have an average of, fuck, this is not good. Man, this is not good at all. Foxo is not supposed to do. What's the news on Foxo, guys? What is the news here? FOXO. I need a desperate cut here. Come on, 141. Jesus, man. I'll take a stop at 168 here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll have to get back in this thing again. Okay, I'm back in. 36 seconds. Oh boy. Foxo is killing me. Now the 183 is the stop. Wow. JFBR, like every time it failed and it's in red now. Okay, so I'm recovering my Foxo. 17 cents. Basically gave him 27 cents. So not yet recovering. Yet. I need it at 140. Jesus Christ, man. Where did Foxo come from? Come on. Come on. One more dip. Oh boy. Oh boy. Don't put me another red here. Foxo is killing me right now, guys. But I missed on JFBR big time. The second time was even nicer. Foxo. 7 million volume. Somebody's pumping all buying so far. This is just nasty here. I haven't stopped out yet. Fish. This is killing me right now. 168 average is absolutely killing. Okay, so back to 168. Let's go down. 16 seconds to go. If it goes up, then we flip it long. If it keeps going down, hits 140, I'm okay. 160, come on. Yes, yes, yes. One more. One more. One more, one more, one more. It just doesn't want to pay. It goes to 150, this dumb shit. It goes to 150. I have a 168 average. Oh, come on. That's a hammer, so it should be okay. Should be okay, guys. Should be okay. KTTA is at 229. This is crazy, guys. They just reached a milestone on Foxo, huh? I'm getting more locates on it. Just don't do any more 184 now. Jesus, it's still doing it.
Morning, guys.
Good morning, buddy.
Foxo has the reach, right?
Foxo is what?
The reach their milestone, year
Yeah.
milestone.
This is crazy, guys. This is just crazy.
The locates are 12 cents on this.
Yeah, it's killing my vibe as well. Come on down, buddy. I have like freaking 33,000 shares in this. I need like 147 to go flat. It's done 150 and I just didn't take it. I could have done it 2 times and I would have been okay. Come on, come on, come on. This time, do it. Do it. Do it. Crash it. Crash it. Crash, crash, crash. Come on. $54. Come on. I'm not letting it break 152 here. What's the matter with this thing? At moving average.
A lot of buys on there.
It's everything is a buy here. It just took a huge loss from 140, I think 143, 144 to 168. 141, I think it was. A little bit better size, but oh boy, just not willing to pay here. Come on. This is the one that can make my day.
Do it back. Volume is fading.
Yeah, volume has slowed down.
Slow down. Yeah. Bottom has down now.
Not dying yet. Come on, 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 come on. One more. Yes, 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 yes. Come on. Just do it. Man, I don't need 15 cents. I need like 19 cents. Come on. Yes. One more. One more, dude. One more. One more, one more, one more. Get me 142 here. One more. Man, it's holding. And RSI on the top of that. But looking good though. It's a full body. It's a full body.
Yep.
It's a tiny but full body, guys. Looking okay. At 150, now 148. I'm taking some size out, so that is good. Now I'm good, guys. Okay, I'm back. Thank you. Oh my gosh, this was so fucking stupid. This was seriously stupid, guys. Dumb F. Oh my god, now it's a 135, so I'm back. Whatever, dude. Whew. Whatever. This sucks. This sucks in the morning, guys. Oh boy. Now it's a 135 from 167 average. Whatever. I have 1,400 shares left, so it doesn't really matter anymore. Bounces up, I'm loading it. I think looks like a good fader now. At least to 120. At least to 120 now. Now Trade Zero is telling me like I have an average of 156. I had an average of 168. Now it's telling me I have an average of 156. Are you dumb? Maybe because I had initial size. That's 1,000 shares out. Right. One more drop. There you go. 1,000 more shares out. Now down to another 1560. Let's go. 1400. Where do I want it? 123. Let's do this. Oh, what happened? Okay. Let's see. Now it's all good, guys. Now it's all good. Yeah, these Foxo locates are started cheap, so initially you have to grab it when these things are moving. Meantime, look at what JFBR has done. JFBR, guys, I sold JFBR way too early. Look at this. Sold it at 178. Now it's a 157. KTTA, but at least I can say I have 3 wins now. KTTA. I'm closing some of my swing position. So let's see. I'll close some swing positions. That would be good. Wow. Whew. I got almost screwed up with Fox, so if it wasn't for the backside. And I was going to stop at 184. I didn't. I'm like, I held on that one. I'm like, okay, let me dip one time. And the second time I would have stopped out. 168. The first one, I lost it from 144, I believe, 144 to 168. Then I got back in at 168. I did not stop out at 184. Went to 190. Came back on the same candle. Then I was okay. But then started doing like 168 like number of times. But now I'm going to go back in 5,800 shares. Right around 1. So this is high at the scale right here. I'm going to go back in at 54, 55. I'm going to go back in with 6,000 shares right here, guys. 18 million volume just got hit. I'm back in. I'm prepared, much more prepared. But look at JFBR, guys. Every time JFBR comes and it's fading, every single day, JFBR is fading. Every single day, JFBR is fading. So this is a crazy one. I'm back in again. I have a 158 average, 7,300 shares as of now. I can play up to 35,000 shares. But JFBR, that whatever equity news, no good today, huh? Z-Car is at 875. I have 200 shares from the other day still. Yesterday, actually, not a couple days ago. So Fox, I'm repeating it, guys. Did anybody chase this JFBR back in red area? Voxel looks a little shitty here again. I added a smaller size, just another 1500 shares on Foxo. Just to get my average a little bit higher, but I didn't add much. I should have. I would have cut it too, by the way. Had I added
A micro float, sure. It's only 2
yeah,
million float.
2 million float. Yeah, I know. I just looked up on a daily. So take a look. Why am I liking this?
Yeah, I know there's a pretty good level, 165 here.
Right here, up to 173. That's really, really good. And its all-time high is 282. All-time high is 282. Has a little move, it looks like it. They want to test their numbers. 23 million volume. What else is coming up? Pali. P-A-L-I. Wow, look at JFBR. Shot it down. Pali just went up, came down and straight down. FRGT from yesterday as well. Pali is in red. Wow. Oof. FRGT. I'm about to add one more time. Just a little bit higher. See if I can get. Look at that, 1.5 million volume. I'm going to add 7,000 shares. Still moving. Oh boy. 13.5 out of money. I have 2 more ads to make. Okay, now I just made it. Made my average to 179 now. Crazy 1.2 million. Playing with the fire here. Already 11% out of money. 3/4 size in already. And it is actually moving. It is actually moving. Now,
Like they wanna break the ice.
yeah, 3 million volume here. This is a similar pattern like kids yesterday or day before.
280 is the max, you know that, right?
Yep, yeah, 280 is the max. And I won't play over 250 anyway, 254. I'm going to try to see if I can get my average into something like 220, 215, but now it's almost impossible. Unless I get a dip, it's almost impossible. It's like loss is imminent right now. Look at Pali on the other hand is just down. Yeah, they're gonna go higher here. This, I should take a loss here. Wow. Where am I gonna be now? 215. So I have to add 232 now at this point. I have a very little, that would still make my average only like $2.02, even if I add 235. It's gonna be a hefty loss. It's already 19%, but I've not added full, just one more, I think. They really want to test their highs. And I'm playing bigger size too. Already in with 18,000. So the drop should be right below my average. The drop should be below my average. Guys, I'm going to be bailing out at 214, 216. If it goes up, I'll be like taking a loss. I'll be taking a nearly 3/4 size loss. Well, actually, a little less. I'm out, guys. I am out. Took a loss, actually, pretty hefty loss, 30 cents loss. I am out, took a loss. And I gave him all the money that I made this morning. I gave all the money that I had down to negative. I was almost 4,000, 4,400. I'm in negative. And I'm gonna go long here. There should be a little more dip to, and then it should be a breakout again. What time is it? 8:38. Let's see if I can recover some money by going long. Took a 8K position already. I'll take a 15K more on a dip to 188. Dumb shit. It is dropping. So the RSI goes to 51. RSI goes to 51 as the bottom. $35 million volume. Has a little more dip. I should have waited. I would have not lost anything. Best ad is going to be right around 188. But let's see how I can recover 10 to 12 cents at a time. Z car down, out. No, this is dumping here. This is gonna dump. Don't do that, boy. This is gonna dump. Don't do that yet. Come on. 1.5 million. What's the breakout candle? Breakout candle is 1.6. Okay, let's go. A lot of pressure to sell here. Good morning, Jennifer. Another sell candle. Come on. Break up. Break out now. Need a 1.6 million candle to break out. That happens, we're good.
Para 20. Para 40.
PTIX. PTIX. Let's take a look. PTIX. JFBR was gone. PTIX. 360. 1 hour on PTIX is good. 349, but that's not up enough. 435. That's what we need. This is badass right now. Come on, let's go. Yep. Hopefully that dip is not big. That's what I don't want to see. It looks like that's what it was coming. Could not come up with another 1.64. Creating room on RSI, that's a good sign. Now we need a big price move, a small candle, big price move. And that would take it out. That looks good right here. Small candle, 3.5, big price move. Can you have a breakout here? 28 seconds, not quite done yet. Come on, a bigger candle than 600K, boy. Let's go. PTIX is not good till it gets to 40% anyway, guys. Meantime, FRGT just going, gone. 154. KTTAs is still alive. You know, it's always a struggle when we go long initially. The first long always is troubling. And then after that, once we get a good range, then it's good. Needed to break out. It only did 600K candle, but did not break out on Foxo. Did not break out.
News is so shitty on that.
Yeah, 400 patient, I mean, milestone, whatever.
Yeah, it's a subsidiary
Yeah.
recovered.
Another dip here, wow. I just hope the RSI doesn't go to like 51. That would be trouble for us. And that could really sell off. So we are getting in the middle of nowhere, no man's land right now. This has to be figured out in market time at some point. Or we're going to be good. We're going to be really good.
We're gonna hang up or we're gonna stop?
We have ways to go, guys. We have 160 to go as a stop. We just started on our long. Nah, still not pushing. Need a big price move. Here we go, 210 again, flat. Not willing to break though. Come on. Come on. Not willing to break this shit. Before they were breaking 210 when I jumped in. They were looking like good and solid. 210, come on. It's been beating the crap out of us. Still only 500K volume. What we need is we need a big breakout candle. 500 is not going to do jack. 500, no other plays is coming up right now. MRIN is 10%, guys. MRIN. Sorry, 7%, 8%, 8%. I need 133 MRIN. Yeah, this sucker is just not moving, guys. This is actually probably worth bailing out and waiting for the market time. We'll get our money back from this shit. I think we're just too aggressive right now. Too eager right now. I'm too eager to get my money out of this one, so I think I'll bail out and wait for it. Wait for nicer ranges. See what it does. Downside or upside. I have locates and everything. So let's plan a bailout, guys, right now. This is our last try right here. See if it breaks. If it doesn't, we bail out. Guys, it's just right hanging at the edge. It's not breaking above our average, man. What the heck, man? Can you not even do 220 at 225? What's nonsense? Serious nonsense, guys. They've created room on the RSI. It looks good, but not the breakout. Breakout volume could be here. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Still not breaking out. Jesus, man. Still not breaking out. This is big drop here. Oh. $212, $210? Are you kidding me? Gotta be shit. The thing is, the minute we bail out, it's gonna be like all gone. I am considering bailing out now, guys. Looks too weak. Looks too weak. They tried several times with the 600K candle and cannot come up with it. They cannot come up with a million volume. Since 8:36 and it's 8:52 now. It's looking very thin now, guys, very thin. RSI is more than where it needs to be. It's going to go sideways. It's going to be Herculean for us to make any money out of this one. Sideways means that this is so high that it's going to go down only. They're trying another RSI, but there's no volume. Well, RSI is a 56, 55, and just actually lowering. RSI is lowering itself. Guys, I'm bailing out. This is again, let's do this at the market time. Let's do this at the market time. This is no good. This could drop huge, and it could drop all the way to 150. Actually, it could drop to 150, so I'm out. RSI just went down to 50. 51 was the breakdown. Got out right at 199. $2, so another 8 cents gone by. Looks like it's gonna dip. It's gonna dip and dip and dip. RSI. But then this is the fantastic part of it. We're going to be able to recover when we know the RSI all the way top to the bottom. And if there's a breakout candle of 1.6, it's going to be okay. Bailed out, guys, myself. Hopefully you guys have as well. Did not look good. Did not look good. And I would have not lost zero had I waited for 180 on the downside the first time. You know, it just couldn't break this 212 whatever. But 44 million volume, it's going to be game for a while. Even on the downside, we'll get our 30 whatever, right? So down 2,800 at this point. That's okay. I gave him all my gains. That was kind of stupid, right? I'm closing my PLTR. That would give me my money at least in green. GNPX. I don't think I want anything out of that. GNPX, you're holding AKS, right? What's your average on GNPX?
Yeah, I have it on my long GNPX.
It was 36 this morning.
Mine is 41, right?
41, okay. So you are actually behind. You didn't buy into the 20s?
I have a 20, did not fill 20. Still have an open order. Yeah, it simply did 22, the bottom.
So I don't know why, but I have a better average than way better average. You have 41, right?
I have 41 years.
I have 29 average and 22,000 shares, 29 average. On GNPX. Must have, I think I added it 2 days ago. Yeah, this Foxo, we gotta wait for it. We got to wait for it now. This does look like a short, but again, look at the RSI difference now. It's at 50 now. So we gotta pick the top. We gotta absolutely pick the top. So average pre-market, guys, there has been 2 loss on Foxo, 1 win on Foxo. But there were 3 other wins, but they were offset by 2 big losses on Foxo. It's a crazy one, this Foxo.
You shot on MRIM?
I am. I took a little bit profit. I'm going to be shorting again. Foxo has been a dumb one. KTTA was nice. JFBR would have should have been even better than that. Honestly, JFBR should have been better. Wow. This is what I sold it at 178 to stop. 168, guys. 138. I shorted like 210. It's at 138. It's doing exactly opposite of Foxo. Foxo is in no man's land. I gotta take it on the highs, absolute highs. And if I go high, I'll go short. I'll go dip, I'll go buy long. Right now, it's not convincing me that it's going to run. It's not convincing me that this will run. If it didn't run now and it didn't do 245, 246 and break 265 for the better, 280 is the all-time high. It's looking like short. Foxo is looking like short. I'm not convinced on this Foxo. I gotta be short. Again, 901, so difficult time to trade now at this point. Yesterday was a very, very good day, guys. Yesterday we went long on one particular stock. And boy, that was just sweet. GUPS. We went long like 13 times, and I was hoping that Foxo would switch that mode. But then again, GPUS also did the same thing. First was very challenging long. Then once you get hold of it, then it's good. As of now, I can see Foxo's coming down big time. Big time downside. I'm very tempted to be short in this thing. But middle of the RSI is going to kill me. But it is short. I can see this pattern holding on the highs. I think they're gonna, with the news that they have, this is just coming down. I should be chasing this. This could go back to 160 and even below, 160 and below. Again, you know, when you lose, you know, it's always that you lose your discipline, guys. When you lose your discipline also. 148. 148. 148 as of now. Whew. Foxo is about to drop 30 cents on us. 28 cents. I'm going to chase some Fox. So I'm being just ridiculous now. I'm being ridiculous at 49 RSI. I'm going to chase it. Bull, you mean Webull? B-U-L-L. Oh, okay. So AKS, you have a bull in your long position, correct?
I had 16, I remember, but I think I.
No, you were supposed to buy 14, dude. What do you mean 16? There's the
Oh,
bull
I don't
long.
have it.
There's the bull long. And only good for one time. It's not going to run forever. Bull is a crappy stock. It's
Okay.
from 2 days ago, $14.
Yeah, if it's 2 days ago, then I don't have it.
Yeah, we were talking about it. We went over it, where to buy. We were talking about bull, where to buy. We'll target like 17, 18 on bull. Bull is going to get under $10 very soon, but because they went from $10 to $79, they have a move. And they did another one too, like 23, 24. So they have one more move going up to 18, 20. It's okay. Foxo is moving, which is good. I'm out of Foxo, but still, guys, just dumb stock. So desperately want to chase this thing, and I keep looking at the watch. Also 9 o'clock as a short on Foxo, and maybe a possible pike as well. Possible pike and possible short. They're not gonna, the way they're looking right now, they don't have interest. People are not interested in this one. People are not interested in Foxo. The volume, they're not. They were in the morning. Crazy stuff. Now they're not. It's a short, but crazy. Who wants to chase Foxo with me, man? Who wants to chase it? It's so weak. Oh my gosh.
I do.
Let's do it, man. Let's do it. I know we don't trade it this time. Let's do 198 half size. 196, 197 half size. Half size. Here it comes. Oof. It's been crazy shit. It's like no man's land we're trying to get in. There it comes.
I got some super cheap locates earlier and took a loss.
Yeah, same here.
Small
Same
loss.
here. Yeah, same here.
Okay, we're in.
Yep. The next ad we're gonna do only at 235.
Okay.
What is breaking out? AREB is alive? Oh my god. AREB 29% is still alive. It has done all its games. Went to 20. Remember this? AREB 28%. Let's go. So guys who have joined us live, we will take off. We'll let you know tomorrow or in the recap in the evening. Kind of flat, couple of $1,000 negative, thanks to Foxo. But Foxo goes to 173. I'll be good. Looking at AREB last few times had faded pretty big as well. But last 3 times it has failed, AREB. But after that, it has done good. Like going all the way down. So 600K volume, 5 million volume this late. Again, I'm not taking a new position in AREB, but 420, 430 could be a good short. Please like, share, subscribe, and come back tomorrow. We'll be here. If you want to join HammerXTraders, we had a really good Monday. There was 28-0, and then yesterday I think it was 28-2. Oh no, 22-2. Today we have started with the 2 losses, so we already have 2 losses, but we also have 4 wins. And then there's some swing positions that we have, which is melting in our favor, so that's good too. I will see you guys tomorrow. Breakout.